Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm strictly going to talk about what I wish I knew before attending Liberty University. So yes, I've been attending Liberty University since 2020, and it has been a great experience thus far. I just want to share some tips of things that I wish I knew before attending Liberty University online, for those that are hoping to figure out where they want to go this fall. As 2023 is here, it has approached us, and I am ready to let you all know my honest opinions after being at Liberty for a total of 2.5 years. In this video, I'm also giving my honest and true and factual opinions on things that I wish I knew. So these are just how I feel, and these are things that I wish that I knew before attending Liberty University, as well as picking Liberty University. Even though I didn't know these things, it still wouldn't change my mind right now after already getting into the couple semesters that I have been at Liberty. It's just things that I hope that you all know about before making your decision to attend Liberty University, whether it's online or in person. So if you see me looking down, I have my notes, and I have 6 things that I wish I knew before attending Liberty University. Okay, so tip number 1 of what I wish I knew before attending Liberty University is that the online classes can be 16 weeks. It can take up the whole semester. I thought that it was just 8 weeks, but let me take that back. Some of them are 8 weeks, some of them are 16 weeks. If you're in a job field like I am, where I'm a teacher, and you're on the path to trying to get your bachelor's or your associates in elementary education, K through 6, some of your math classes are going to be 16 weeks. Some of your classes are going to be just the simple 8 weeks. So just be prepared to have a whole semester taken geared towards your math, and as well as your student teaching, and as well as your practicum hours. So definitely, if you guys would like to see a video of what the degree is in order to be a teacher, if you're watching this video, comment down below and I'll definitely make it. Tip number 2 that I wish I knew before attending Liberty University is that you can get book vouchers. My first semester, I was trying to figure out how in the world can I get these books in person. I was sitting on the computer and just like always looking at the screen, having to read the books, and I was like, I don't want to do that anymore. So if you look into it, you can email this email right here at the bottom of the screen, and then you can just let them know that you need a voucher to get your books. So go to the bookstore website first, and then you will scroll to see what books you will need by the class and by the semester and the term, and then add it to your cart. Give them roughly like 2 or 3, maybe like $10 extra on top of what you are asked for at the bookstore, and just go ahead and ask them for that specific amount. That way you can order the books and your shipping is covered. And whatever is left over from whatever you didn't use at the bookstore, it's going to go back towards your refund if you do get a refund. Okay, so what I wish I knew before attending Liberty University for tip number 3 is definitely the gates. When you are in your associate's degree for teaching, if you guys are in the teaching field, and if that's what you're thinking of when you're attending Liberty University like I am, I did not take my associates at Liberty University. I am taking my bachelor's at Liberty University. But what I wish I knew was that there would be Gates 1, Gates 2, and Gates 3. Gate 1 is going to be completed in your associate's program, which I wasn't there for. So in the bachelor's degree program, there is Gates 2 and 3. Gates 2 is for where you are going to complete the items listed here, and then your Gate 3 is where you're going to take your praxis, and you're going to, need to complete all of these items in order to take certain classes. So when you guys come to a standstill in classes, this is going to be the reason why. So before I go any further, tip number 4, yes, I am a Christian. I do believe in Jesus. I do believe in God. But I did not think that it was so much Christianity at this school. You know, when applying, I know that there are Bible verses given. There are sometimes prayer on the calls when you call into the school to, you know, check in and basically like plan your classes out or speak with an advisor, things like that. So God is put into everything when it comes to Liberty University. That does not change my mind of not wanting to go. And it did not change my mind into, you know, wanting to leave Liberty University. I strictly believe that, you know, it helps to strengthen your relationship with God, and it also is something that I'm not going to be able to bring into my classroom. So I'm also trying to figure out how to incorporate that information as I'm taking the history classes and as I'm taking the education classes. How can this be incorporated into my daily classroom? And honestly, as an elementary school teacher currently, we are not allowed to incorporate that into our classrooms. So recently I did a tour of Liberty University's campus, and I toured it with my best friend, Cabernet. Her channel here is Whitaker's Way, and she is also a Liberty University student who is achieving her associate's degree. Now, the thing that we like to do is compare degrees. So if you're able to compare degrees, and if you're able to, you know, take classes that are similar, that's another great thing. It's a great way to meet people. Liberty University is exactly where I met her. So there's so many things to do around the campus, and there's so many things to do around the college. There's things such as like downtown. There's other things that are surrounding Lynchburg that they can do. There's so many places to eat. They have a lot of great attractions, a lot of great places to take photos, and just to live a normal college life. All right, and tip number 6, which is coming to the end, is just that speaking from the words of an alumni of Liberty University, the question was asked, what is something that you wish you knew before attending Liberty University? And in the words of my mother, who is that alumni of Liberty University, whether or not my degree would guarantee me the job I have a degree for. So one of the great things about this is like definitely making sure whether or not this degree is going to really help you to get the job that it is you're going for, or that you're even taking the classes for, that you're even trying to get the degree for. And so Liberty University is definitely a great place. It's definitely something where you can go online or you can be a residential student. Unfortunately, some people do have obligations that do keep them from being that residential student. And then there's others that want that college experience and they're able to be residential. And then there's some that just cannot. But definitely, whether or not my degree would guarantee me the job is one of the things that, you know, any person looks for when going to any college. So if you guys would like a part 2 of what it's really like and what you wish you knew before trying to join in the teacher degree program, comment down below and I'll definitely make that video and put it out and make it happen for you all. These are just the things that I wish I knew before attending Liberty University, and I can honestly say that I am proud to be 75% done, and hopefully by this time next year I will have my bachelor's degree hung up on the wall right along with my certificates and my associate's degree. So I hope that you guys like this video. Please be sure to make sure you're subscribed, and like I said, comment down below if you guys want a part 2. I'll be happy to give it and definitely look forward to it. Bye.